What's up, you guys? It's your girl Bree Bunny, and I am back with another video. Anyways, if you're new, hi, what's up? Welcome. How you doing? And if you are returning, oh, thank you for coming back. I appreciate it so much. So today, I decided to let the inner foodie in me live a little. So I am trying corn dogs. They're stuffed Korean corn dogs from Two Hands. And then I got these drinks from this place called Pop Fancy. And it's not a drink, it's actually a popsicle. They call this a pop tail. This is the Japanese strawberry milk. And then an ice cream swirl. This one is Oreo caramel Oreo swirl. Yeah, this one is actually my girlfriend's. So yeah, I'm gonna try a little and then give it back to her because it's hers. So I guess let's do that first, and then so I can give her stuff back. That's good. That's good. Should have got that. Here you go. All right. And also, I'm going to be talking about my TTC journey. Try number 3, really. So these are the vitamins I've been taking. I've been taking the omega-3 fatty acids. There we go. With DHA in it, because DHA is one of the hormones that's actually really good for you when you're pregnant. And then Peruvian maca, the maca root. This promotes sexual health and is actually really good for like reproduction and just promoting overall like health within the reproductive system. And then of course, my prenatals. I've been taking these. These also have DHA in them as well. And then one pill that I don't have on here that I've been taking is called the Himalaya pill. That pill is all natural, all organic, and it's supposed to help with menstruation, menopause. It also makes you extremely fertile. And of course, I've been like drinking my green smoothies and stuff like that. So yeah, baby is coming. So I'm gonna pop the top on here because like I said, it's a popsicle in there. And then show y'all the corn dog. There's one. This is the classic dog. So it's just regular American style corn dog, but it has mozzarella stuff in it. This one is mine with the mustard and ketchup. Baby doesn't like all that extra stuff, so she definitely just got ketchup. And then this one is the spicy dog. This one has like the spicy crust with spicy mayo, and this one has nacho cheese and mozzarella stuffed in it. And this one is the classic. This one is it's like a Korean style twist on a corn dog, but it has nacho cheese and mozzarella stuffed in it too. So let's dig in. I don't know which one I want to try first. This one has like a sweet crust on it. So maybe I'll try this one first. Here we go. That's good. That's good. It's definitely not like too hot anymore because I definitely had to drive home before eating it, but it still tastes really good. Now for one. Huh? The next one, I'm gonna try the spicy. That's good too. It still has like a sweet hint to it, but it's really good. See what the popsicle looks like. Oh, it's all melted. The popsicle is really good. That's good. That's good. All right, and now for the two hand dog. Okay, this is definitely a good choice. Really good choice. I don't know which one I like more. It'd have to be out of like these two. Yeah, it'd have to be out of these two. Because I like the subtle spice, but the sweetness after. But then like this one has like a ranch kind of feel to it. That's really good. I don't know. But it's good. Worth it. So worth it. And I got 4 of these. And it was only $17. Like, that's a steal. That is a steal. Only thing I can say about the spicy is I wish that the crust was spicy all around. That's probably why you're like, I'm still getting the sweetness. Because on the backside it's just normal, you know? But the front is the red crunch, which I don't know, by the looks of it, it looks like it might be like hot chip layer. Like an oversized mozzarella stick, basically. And another thing, it takes way too long to get to the meat in the center. So if you were to like share this with somebody, one of y'all would end up getting just the filling side. And then one of y'all would get the side with the actual sausage. So just a heads up on that. I definitely would have recommended this to someone who's like lactose intolerant because there's a lot of cheese. That is a lot of cheese to try to get through. But like I said, it's good. And I'm gonna rip this off. Because again, here's the sausage. And then this one, I don't know where my sausage is. I don't feel like there's a sausage in this one. But yeah. Let's try it with the sausage. I wish the sausage would be through the whole thing. That's good. And this one. Oh, there's the nacho cheese. Okay. Yeah. So, as far as baby number, try number 3 goes, it's up and coming. Insemination day is coming really soon. I've been tracking my ovulation, doing my little strips and stuff, and that's been good. I wish I knew a way to up my LH level, like the hormone that you produce to tell you you're ovulated, because I feel like my levels are always so low. And yes, I'm still using the Pre-Mom app to track my ovulation and stuff, so that's that. And according to the due date calculator, when this is successful, this baby will be born December 26th. You guys, fingers crossed that this baby decides to come early, because I don't want a Christmas baby. I don't want a Christmas baby for the baby's well-being, not mine. Because I have a sister whose birthday is December 27th and a sister whose birthday is December 18th. And I feel like it's just so hard to celebrate their birthdays because Christmas is surrounded by it. And a lot of people don't want their kids, not around their family during family time, during the holidays. So that's kind of one of the things that worries me, but I don't want to wait either. Like, I want to keep pushing while I have the momentum. We hit that bump in the road with the chemical pregnancy, and that was really, really sad. But I'm doing better. I'm doing much better. And I feel like I have a good support system and enough people that care about my well-being, care about what's going on, to where it doesn't hurt me as much as it used to. I will say, there's always this feeling in the back of my head because, what woman wants to go through a miscarriage and then years later turn around and go through a chemical pregnancy, which is an early miscarriage? Nobody wants to go through that. But it's all a plan in making me stronger, so I'm going to go with it. But I feel so confident in this time around. I just know it's going to happen. And fingers crossed, you guys. Send me prayers, send me positive energy, send it all. I need all of the positivity I can get, because it's happening. It better happen. It's happening. So, yeah. Again, so I got this food from Two Hands, which is on Bel Air, off West Park, but on Bel Air. Well, no, I'm not off West Park, off Sam Houston on Bel Air. And, Chinatown, of course. And then Pop Fancy is literally right next door to it. So I was very surprised about that. I'm glad that they were right next to each other and I didn't have to drive 20 minutes 2 and 2. But yeah, this is really good. Kind of wish they had different sizes because it's so much flavor and it's so good that I don't know if me as one person can finish all of this. So yeah, that's my video today, you guys. Comment down below any more food places that I should try, because I'm always open to trying new things. And also, like I said, leave me some positive energy, you guys. I definitely need it. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Matter of fact, I'm giving you guys 5 seconds to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So y'all got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. hope y'all click that subscribe button and go ahead and turn on those notifications if you want to see more videos about me come up on your notification log. And then also, you know, click that like button and leave some comments below. Again, for everybody who returned, thank you so much for being loyal and coming back every time I drop a video. And for all of you that are new, I hope you plan on staying. So I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.